Hello guys, I'm with Hens at
Hello.
nandito siya para imbitahan tayo ngayon sa mga upcoming shows niya or kung may mga movies pa siyang gagawin. So Hens, ano yung mga abangan ng mga fans mo sa'yo?
Currently, I'm with sa show, yung Once Upon a Time, with Mayward. Kasama ko ang Mayward doon, Edward and Maymay. Two of my good friends in the industry. So watch out for that. Every Sunday, 6:45 p.m.
Okay. Kumusta ba lang Mayward?
Mayward, they're going strong. They're gonna have an album launch.
Oo nga sila sa may SM North.
Yes,
So,
yeah.
okay naman sila yung, kumusta yung working with them?
They're very fun. Fun sila katrabaho actually. I like them very much.
So, may mga iba ka pa bang shows na gagawin? Ganun soon, in the future?
Actually, right now, I'm focusing like some music din. So, I have a band. May band ako. So, watch out for us guys. Apat kami sa banda. So, we play instruments. I play guitar as well. So, kasali kami actually sa Star Pop Fair.
Okay.
This coming May 18.
Nice.
Yeah, Mayward din nandun.
Okay.
And maraming Star music artists pupunta doon and magpe-perform. And yung banda ko kasali rin.
May album kang gagawin? May album kang ilalabas ba?
Yeah, may plan yung band namin na mag-release din. Under din ng Star Music. And yeah, hopefully you guys like our music.
So, guys, si Hens din pala. Hens, di ba?
Yeah.
May YouTube channel din pala siya and huwag natin siya kalimutan.
Yeah.
Mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel.
Yeah.
So, please invite them.
Yeah, hello guys, I'm new sa YouTube and sana you subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. My name there is Hens. So, hello Hens. Yeah.
Hens.
So, please subscribe. Thanks.
So, yun guys, panoorin natin siya sa Once Upon a Time. Then, kasama niya ang
Mayward.
Mayward doon.
Yeah.
Thank you, Hens.
Thank you.